About therapy.
Special things of art. Ma'am,
I'm not
special
sure.
things of art. I am Aradhya. Special things of art.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I am Aradhya. Special things on art.
Yeah, okay. So we will do special things on art, but how art and Ravan are interconnected? How you think?
Ma'am, we'll do a Ravan something or MH.
Ma'am, maybe we are gonna make a Ravan out of craft.
Special thing related to Ravan in today's class.
Okay,
By
so
art.
why do you think we are doing something special about Ravan? Like as you said, he was evil. And he was
Ma'am, because the Shara is coming.
yeah, the Shara is coming. Give me 1 point. Correct.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yeah, ask me. Go ahead.
Ma'am, anything that we have to bring in today class?
Yes. So I am just going to.
Ma'am, what are you doing, ma'am?
Yeah, tell me.
Do we need any materials or
Yeah. I am just sharing the screen with you
yes, ma'am.
so that you will know. But like on the note we left our discussion on, how is Ravan and art related? So should I welcome our presenter for today? What do you guys say?
Sure. Yes.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you guys excited?
Yes, ma'am.
Ravan and art is interconnected. Okay. So let's welcome Jasmine ma'am. And you have to spot on Jasmine ma'am, okay? So it's not an easy task, but you have to just find out where Jasmine ma'am is, okay? So Jasmine
Ma'am, she is here. She writes something on chat. Ma'am, she is here.
Hi everyone. Hi, thank you, Simran. Thank you so much. And I was listening to their conversations with you. Okay, before I start my class, I have few rules for my class. First, unmute your mics. Okay, one by one, we are going to speak or we will write in the chat. So, have Simran ma'am with us. She is going to read all the questions for me. Okay, jaldi se unmute karenge. Thank you. You are smart children. And you know, I was hearing lots of things about Ravana. So today's class, you are intelligent kids, and yes, today's class is based on Dashera. So Dashera is coming. Let's welcome Dashera with a smile. Can I see your beautiful smiles and pretty faces? Yes. Yes. Wow, lovely. It's good to see.
Yes, ma'am.
रूल ब्रेक हो गया, मेरा रूल ब्रेक हो गया. अनम्यूट क्यों किया? स्माइल तो हम ऐसे ही दिखाते हैं ना, बोल के नहीं. Okay, so let's.
Ma'am, please tell me what are the materials we will
अभी
need
नहीं,
for the session.
अभी सब बताएंगे. थोड़ा सा मैम से बात करेंगे पहले. Okay, मुझसे बात तो कर लो पहले, है ना? Okay, so I am Jasmine.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening everyone.
I am Tia. Jasmine, ma'am.
अरे इतने सारे बच्चे बोलेंगे तो मैं काम नहीं. अरे इतने सारे बोलेंगे तो मैं सुनूंगी कैसे? इतने सारे. प्लीज थोड़ा सा मैम के कानों पे भी please. Okay, so I know you are smart children. Let me introduce myself. I am Jasmine and we are going to have fun together with Simran ma'am and yes, with you all. So what are the things which you need? I'm going to show you और सुनो. अगर कोई चीज नहीं है, कोई बच्चा उदास नहीं होगा. ओके, कोई चीज नहीं है, हमारे पास सारी चीजों की सोल्यूशन है. हम थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखेंगे और मैम की बात का ध्यान से सुनेंगे. बीच में इंटरप्ट नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि इंटरप्ट करेंगे तो हमारा काम ही नहीं होगा ना. और आपको पता है आज मैं किसी और को भी बुलाने वाली हूँ यहाँ पे. एक तो जैस्मिन मैम आई है, एक मेरे साथ एक और भी गेस्ट अभी थोड़ी देर में आएगा, तो तब तक मैं आपको सामान दिखा रही हूँ. आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू ऑल द मटेरियल व्हिच यू नीड, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल द गेस्ट. Okay, so let me show you. I need few colored sheets or white sheets, whatever. See, मेरे पास आधी फटी हुई भी है. It's okay. We need to recycle. Okay, whatever material you have at home. Okay, few colored sheets or white sheets. Okay, I hope when the things are clear, just show me thumbs up. No one will unmute their mics. Okay, just thumbs up. Let's make it a rule, a thumb rule. Okay, so color sheets is clear, and if you don't have color sheets, it's okay. We can use white sheet and color them later on. So problem solved. Okay, second thing is we need Fevicol.
सारा सामान निकालना, कलर शीट का एक निकालना.
Please unmute. Please mute your mic, kids. Mute your mics. Thank you.
Can we use glue stick?
आप मेरे को बोलने ही नहीं दे रहे. आप ऐसे, आप तो फिर मैं आगे कैसे बताऊंगी ना. मैं बोलूं, थोड़ा सा पेशेंस हम रखेंगे, थोड़ा सा. Okay, so this is, please mute your mic, kids.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, how many papers?
I will clear all the doubts, but पहले मुझे बोलने तो दो. सामान चाहिए क्या, उसके बाद हो सकता है वो डाउट अभी क्लियर हो जाए, है ना. और अगर जो भी डाउट है वो चैट बॉक्स में भी लिख सकते हो आप, so that सिमरन मैम कैन रीड. अब पहली चीज, आई एम रिपीटिंग, कलर शीट्स और व्हाइट शीट्स. अगर आपके पास छोटी शीट है, बड़ी शीट है, कोई भी कलर की शीट है चलेगा, नहीं तो न्यूज़पेपर सबके घर में है वो भी चलेगा, मैगजीन की पुरानी शीट्स भी चलेंगी. वी नीड टू रिसाइकिल. ओके, सो आई नीड अ फेविकॉल और अ ग्लू स्टिक. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. और अगर ग्लू स्टिक भी नहीं है तो ग्लू भी चलेगी भाई. ओके, आई नीड सेलो टेप, और सेलो टेप इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, नहीं भी होंगी, आप बाद में यूज कर सकते हो. आई एम रिपीटिंग, वी नीड सेलो टेप. If you don't have, we can use it later. I need few markers or sketch pens or crayon colors. See, I have few crayon colors also. मैं तो थोड़े से, लेकिन मैं रो नहीं रही. It's okay. Okay, and don't forget to bring your scissors and be very, very, very careful. Never interrupt in between. Just say, never interrupt. Let me finish, okay? Because others are also listening. Okay? So, scissors in between, and now these are the things which someone's mic is on. Because my voice is echoing. Yes, Nitish, what do you want to say? Now quickly tell me.
Ma'am, I just wanted to ask that can I go and bring the materials?
See, of course, you don't have to ask me. You have to get it. काम कैसे करोगे, है ना? So, जल्दी से जाओ. तब तक मैं अपने विजिटर जो आपसे बच्चों से मिलने के लिए आ जा रहा है उसको भी मैं बुलाने वाली हूँ. Okay?
Excuse me,
So, yes.
Ma'am, but I was just asking that can you repeat the materials because I was declined in between. I was disconnected in between.
So I am going to repeat quickly. So whenever you have connectivity issues, no problem. I'm going to repeat, but don't interrupt in between. Okay? क्योंकि मैम is getting older. मैम भी भूल जाती है कि क्या बोल रही थी. Oh, sorry. So you need few colored sheets. कुछ पुरानी sheets भी चलेंगी. You need Fevicol or Fevistick. You need pair of scissors. Be very careful with scissors, especially small kids. You can take help of your mama, papa or elders. Few markers. You can take crayon colors if you have, whatever colors you have. And of course, if you have sellotape nearby, you can use it. Otherwise, no problem. Okay, I'm just waiting for 2 more minutes so that everyone can join in, and then I can call my friend.
Can I record this?
I really don't know. Simran ma'am is better
This is already
person
being
to ask.
recorded on Facebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
now
guys. I am here. Jasmine, I'm sorry. I just had a network issue. That's why I couldn't be here.
पेपर होगा तो चलेगा.
भागेगा, वो तो भागेगा बहुत तेज अगर छोटा पेपर होगा, but no.
Okay. So Jasmine ma'am, you can unmute yourself as you are the co-host.
Okay, now can
Yes.
I just start? Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am. All the kids are on mute. So guys, now you can just put your doubts in the comment box. I will read every doubt for Jasmine ma'am. Jasmine ma'am, in just a moment, I will just share the introductory PPT to just introduce the session. I will just 2 minutes, and you can also call the special guest in the meanwhile.
Yes, yes, definitely, Simran ma'am. Thank you so much. So, children, I'm going to call my guest. I'm going to call him, and you can just see what are the things you need.
Yes, guys. So now you can see the all the requirements for the session right on your screen. So I am giving you the time of 2 minutes to fetch all the things you can from this list. If you are missing on anything, that's fine. But all the material you can get from this list, kindly go and grab it. And in 2 minutes, I will start with this session. So kindly come back fast. And I can see all of you. Kindly also keep your videos on because ma'am needs to see your progress. So that would be great if you keep your videos on. And
Yes, you can use white sheets, you can use any sheet, and later on you can color them. Don't get so excited. Just see what first, okay? Okay, it's very easy. You will enjoy also. Don't be stressful.
okay, guys. So let's start with the session. Right now, ma'am hasn't started with the teaching. So in case you have to fetch some material now, you can go. I'm just explaining the main pointers. Most of you know them, so you won't be missing anything. I'm just starting with the basics. So don't worry, you can go and get your material, okay? So guys, this is the list that you will be needing for today's session. I've displayed it again for you guys. And let's start with today's session, okay? So welcome everyone to Podium Super Up. Podium is a super achiever-led educational platform for co-curricular content taught by the world's best teachers. Also, the programs we will be launching shortly are contemporary dance, drama, calligraphy, logical reasoning, vlogging, animation, creative writing, and public speaking. Also, guys, we request you to follow our Facebook page. That's facebook.com/podiumclasses for regular updates and recorded sessions. So guys, coming to the instructions for today's session. Today's session will begin with our faculty's teaching. While the teacher is teaching you, you all will be on mute. During that time, if you have any query or any question, kindly type it out in the comment box. I will acknowledge you, I will respond to you, and in case that doubts needs to be brought to in ma'am's attention, I will forward it to ma'am. Okay. At the end of our session, we will be unmuting everybody for the interactive session, and you can ask whatever you feel like during that time. Also, I am displaying the list of things you need once again, so that you know you need all these are the basic things, all you can fetch from your home. Just keep it with you in case you are not able to, that's fine, okay? So don't panic right now. So guys, today we have with us Jasmine ma'am. So Miss Jasmine is art facilitator and therapy artist. She gives great importance on using art as a medium of expression. She also uses art as a medium to lead her students on the path of positivity and optimism. Jasmine ma'am has an experience of 17 years in teaching and has given greater importance to recycling and creativity as an important discipline of life. On behalf of Team Podium, I thank Miss Jasmine for joining us today. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome. Over to you.
Yes, thank you, Simran. Can you hear me? Simran?
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is
Yes.
audible.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. I can see few children. Yes, their cameras are on, and let me talk with. Let me ask them. You need to just show me thumbs up or thumbs down. If you are okay with it, thumbs up with a big smile. If you are not okay, then little space, any different expressions. Okay, so let's start the class. No more questions now. Whatever material you have, how many sheet, how many colors, ये सब पता है क्या होता है जब हम बहुत एक्साइटेड होते हैं, है ना, जब हम बहुत ज्यादा इतना सोचने लग जाते हैं. when things are given, if it is written sheets, that means more than one and two will work. More than one is sheets. Okay, so don't worry, don't panic, and let me start the session. As Dashera is approaching, of course, we are going to do Dashera craft. And I heard your conversations when Simran ma'am was talking to you about Ravana. Yes, Ravan was very intelligent. Yeah, very, very intelligent. And only his one mistake, and because of his anger, he did little blunder, isn't it? वो रामायण का जो युद्ध हुआ, वो सिर्फ उसकी एक गलती से, और वो भी क्या, अपने गुस्से, अहंकार से, है ना. हम भी तो कभी कभी गुस्सा हो जाते हैं, होते हैं ना. अच्छा मम्मी मैगी बना दो, मम्मी बोलती है मैगी नहीं खानी, आज तो पराठी बनी, अरे मैं नहीं खा रहा खाना, मैं नहीं खा रही. इट हैपेंस और नॉट? थम्स अप और थम्स डाउन, जल्दी से मुझे बताएंगे. Is it thumbs up or thumbs down? So Simran, can you see their thumbs up or thumbs down? More thumbs up or more thumbs down?
Some are thumbs down, but I am sure you guys are just being diplomatic right now.
Yes, I know. Yes, I know. अच्छा, पता है सिमरन आज क्या हुआ? आज मैं जब खेलने के लिए गई आफ्टरनून में, मेरी फ्रेंड से लड़ाई हो गई. वो हमेशा ऐसे करती है और मुझे गुस्सा आ गया. आगे से मैं इनके साथ नहीं खेलूंगी. Is it thumbs up or thumbs down? It happens or not? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Simran, how many thumbs up you can see?
I can see most of them thumbs up, so it's good you guys are honest.
Yes, it's good to be honest. It's good to be honest. And you know, एक और चीज, अरे मम्मी ने मुझे बोला था कि इस बार मुझे मेरा गिफ्ट, मे बी PS4, मे बी ईयरपॉड्स और मे बी कुछ भी वो लेके देना, बट लॉकडाउन की वजह से नहीं दिया. अरे वो कब देंगी? इज इट थम्स अप और थम्स डाउन? गुस्सा तो आता है ना जब हमें कोई चीज नहीं मिलती. हम कैसे सेलिब्रेट करेंगे, हम कैसे करेंगे? सो यस चिल्ड्रन, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी बिकम एंग्री, एंग्शियस एंड इन स्ट्रेस, है ना. हम जल्दी से हो जाते हैं. रावण का भी यही हुआ ना. एंड द एंड वाज नॉट सो गुड. He was intelligent, he was smart, he was a king, right? But because of his one thing, his angry, his aggression and his ego, क्या हुआ बेचारे का, है ना. So we have to be like we are kids, we can, you know, change our this thing, moods and all, emotions, and emotions play very important role in art. So let me call my guest and see what kind of emotion he or she has. But for that, you have to close your eyes and no peekaboo. No peekaboo, no peekaboo. Simran, you need to watch them. अगर इन्होंने आंख खोली, मैं किसी को नहीं बुलाने वाली. Is it okay? So I'm counting till 3 and I'm going to call someone very special to me. Okay? 1, 2 and 3. Close your eyes. And no cheating. No one is going to cheat. Because if you are going to cheat, I am not going to call them. So let me call them. कहाँ गया भाई? आ जाओ. Kids are waiting. Kids are waiting. अभी आंखें सब बनेंगे, आंखें सब बंद करेंगे. Let me call them. Another 1 minute. अब वो आ ही नहीं रहा है. अरे प्लीज आ जाओ. My kids are waiting. आ जाइए ना प्लीज. बच्चे शोर नहीं मचाएंगे. So let's see who is with me. Okay, open your eyes. Simran, can you see the guest?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Hello, kids. Hello. So I'm Bunny from the forest. I'm Miss Bunny. I've got lovely, long pink ears. And don't miss my nose. तुम्हें पता है मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है और बहुत ही ज्यादा गुस्सा आ जाता है. बट मेरी एक फ्रेंड है. Let me call her. So she is my friend. She is always cool. I want to be like her. I really want to be like her. Do you want to be like her? Cool and थोड़ा कम गुस्से वाला. Can I see your thumbs up? Can I see your thumbs up? Okay, so let's do this activity today and I'm going to come and meet you soon and we are going to make something special. And what is that special thing is Ravan, which I'm going to show you today. Let me show you. Can you see Simran? Simran?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Visible.
this is what I'm going to make with Jasmine ma'am. And but this Ravan is giving some important message to you all, right? So what is the message? The message is this. Can you see? He has heads, but what is written on the heads? Wow, what is written on the heads? Let me go far and you can see something is written on his head. Wow. Yes, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, WhatsApp, Google, Netflix. This is what we are doing. And this Ravan is giving one message to you. Come out of this digital world and let's do some artwork. Children, close your eyes. Quickly close your eyes and no peekaboo. Close your eyes. I'm counting till 3, Simran, and let's see what happens. 1, 2, and 3. Simran, इन्होंने बंद कर दी आंखें.
Yes, ma'am. Guys, hands on your eyes.
Yes, and let's see now what happens. Let me see what is happening now. Yes. Okay. I am back. You can open your eyes. So you saw that Ravan, right? You saw that Ravan. This is what we are going to make. And we are going to be a cool Ravan. Not that angry Ravan, okay, with no ego, but with emotions of love, Okay, and let's that, and it was right, isn't it? That we need to come out of the digital world and let's be close to nature, right? And let's eat properly, sleep, take rest, and enjoy our artwork in this session. Okay, so let's start the activity. I'm going to show you. I'm going to repeat every thing twice. Okay, so I have few color sheets here and white sheets also here. You can choose a white sheet or you can have a simple colored sheet, or you can even have a newspaper. Recycle, which is very, very, very important. Okay, so let me wear my glasses and here I go. So I'm taking A4 size sheet. If you have small sheet, it's fine. If you have bigger sheets, double fine. Okay, so I'm using a small sheet here, right? And what I'm going to do with small sheet, इसको मैं ऐसे turn करूंगी और थोड़ा सा ऐसे fold कर दूंगी. And please children, watch, this is in a standing position, not in a sleeping position. Okay, it's a standing position. जैसे हम खड़े होते हैं, सोते हुए नहीं. Okay, so my sheet is like this and I'm turning it and just a simple fold from the back side. बहुत छोटा सा fold है. Is it clear? Can I see thumbs up or okay in the chat box? Simran ma'am can tell me. Very good. Great going. Now here also I'm going to fold. So I'll just show you. I'm going to fold it. Lovely. So this is my back side. Okay, not the front side. I'm repeating. This is my back side. Okay, and this is my front side of Ravana's face. Okay, so now what is the next thing I'm going to do? I'm going to cut this. I'm going to mark. I'm using a black marker so that everyone can see. You can use a pencil, you can use a crayon colors, you can use chalk, whatever is there with you. Okay, so हमारे face का ऐसे cut. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, actually your screen sharing is on, so the main screen is your screen, like your.
Okay, sorry, is it fine?
Yes, ma'am. Now your image is only coming. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Is it fine? Should I repeat or is it okay? Kids are doing.
Yes, ma'am. Kids are doing it.
Okay, I'm sorry, children. I didn't notice. And thank you, Simran. Thank you. Okay. So now, children, हमारा face का ऐसे होते हैं, cut होते हैं ना, सबका ऐसे होते हैं ना, ये हमारा chin जो है, तो ऐसे ही हम रावण का chin के लिए एक curve line बनाएंगे. So I'm using a marker so that you can see. If you are not confident, use a pencil. So I'm making a curve like this. Okay. And now be very careful. Chote bache, please handle scissors with careful, maybe you can take help of your mama, papa. And these are my blunt scissors. Okay. So I'm going to cut this. Wow. It's interesting. Now the face, the chin of my Ravan's face is ready. Is it clear? Thumbs up. Not clear? Thumbs down. Or maybe we can give high five later on. Yes. So Simran, should I continue? Good. I can see lots of thumbs up now and I can just continue. Okay. So what eyes? So I'm using white sheet here, right? You can use any colored sheet also. Okay. I can even use pink sheet. Let me use pink sheet and show it to you. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm taking another sheet. You can even use white sheet. ओके तो हमारी आईज कितनी है? 3 की 2 की 1, एलियन है हम. 2. So what we are going to do whenever we have to make two things, okay, very good, I know you are very smart. So जब भी हमें चीजें दो बनानी है, I am repeating, जब भी हमें चीजें दो बनानी है, हम कोई भी शीट लेके उसको ऐसे डबल फोल्ड करेंगे. I am repeating. So whenever you have to make two things of same size, okay, and same color, you just take a sheet and fold it. Okay. Now I'm going to draw an eye. और उसकी मैं शेप कैसे बनाऊंगी? जैसे हमारी लीफ होती है. आपने पत्ता देखा है ना? ऐसे लीफ शेप. So I'm going to make a leaf. Okay, let me take some other marker so that you can just see. So I'm going to make a leaf shape here. Like this. ऐसी लीफ होती है ना? Yes. मैं थोड़ा सा बड़ी आईज बना रही हूँ ताकि मेरा रावण थोड़ा सा स्टाइलिश लगे. Okay. If it is thumbs up, thumbs up. If it is thumbs down, I'm sorry. Okay. So now I'm going to cut this. और इसको खोल के कट नहीं करना वरना कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. Because I need 2 eyes. So I'm going to cut. इससे मेरा टाइम सेव होगा और सेम साइज की आईज कट जाएंगी. So I'm cutting this shape and I'm going to show you. Wow, same 2 pink color leaf, but these are not leaves. These are eyes. Please don't laugh. I know I'm looking funny. Okay, so this is my face, not my, I mean Ravana's face. And now I'm going to use Fevicol. If you have Fevistick, very good. If you have glue, very, very good. If you have gum, jisko bolte wo liquid wali, then also fine. So I'm going to use Fevicol. So it's like this. Is it clear? Yes. Now I'm going to stick the eyes here. One eye. And the second eye I'm going to stick like this. मैं थोड़ी सी eyes बाहर निकाल रही हूँ. Okay? मैं थोड़ी सी eyes बाहर निकाल रही हूँ. Simran, is it clear? I can move ahead?
Yes, ma'am, absolutely.
Okay, great. Because you need to tell me because कई बार connectivity's problem होती है, so you need to.
Yeah, ma'am, I will definitely notify you.
Yes, thank you. Because kids are also on mute now. That's the reason. Okay, so eyes are ready. मैंने थोड़ी सी eyes बाहर निकाली है. आप छोटी eyes बना सकते हो, गोल eyes बना सकते हो. Hello to everyone, but watch. Okay, watch. Okay, now I'm using, okay, so now I'm going to do the outlining for my eyes. Not my eyes, my Ravana's eye. Okay, so I'm holding it like this. That is the reason the lines are little here and there, but don't worry. Okay, so I'm going to make eyes. आप eyeball भी बना सकते हो बीच में. नहीं तो I have white sheet. I'm going to cut. I have extra small white sheet. See, मैं कोई भी पुरानी चीज फेंकती नहीं हूँ जो मुझे लगता है. Okay, so I'm going to. I need 2 eyeballs. मैंने आपको सिखाया है. I need 2 eyeballs. अगर आपकी सेम आईज का सेम कलर है तो आप उसको क्रेयॉन से डिफरेंट कलर कर दो, मार्कर से डिफरेंट कर दो. सिंपल, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. इज इट क्लियर? ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू कट दीज 2 सर्कल्स. आप eyeballs ड्रॉ भी कर सकते हो. So my 2 circles are ready. Okay, और ये मैं कहाँ लगाऊंगी? इसके अंदर. Okay, again I have to use my magic glue. So I'm using my magic glue. भैया, and be very careful about the neatness. सुंदर सुंदर काम भी करेंगे और जल्दी जल्दी भी करेंगे. Okay, so where is my other eyeball? Not mine, Ravana's. So I'm going to stick right. So eyeballs are inside the eyes. Now let me do the outlining. Okay, so I'm doing the outlining, and what I'm going to do, मेरा रावण देखेगा कैसे भाई आप सबको? So again I'm telling you, थोड़ी सी लाइंस इधर उधर हो सकती है क्योंकि मैं ऐसे पकड़ के कर रही हूँ. ओके, आप टेबल पे रख के नीचे रख के आराम से करिए. So another eyeball, and eyes are ready. Something is missing. What about these eyebrows? So मेरा जो रावण है गुस्से में नहीं है, इसलिए जब मैं गुस्से में होती हूँ हमारी आईब्रोज कैसे होती है? Like this. But मेरा रावण chill है, cool है. Okay, so I'm going to make simple lines for my eyebrows. Okay, like one, and the other one is here. Okay, like this. Now, what about the nose? हीरा रावण को मम्मा ने अगर पुलाव बनाए होंगे तो खुशबू कैसे लेगा भाई? Nose is very very important. So I am taking the other color. You can take white sheet and color it. I have some few leftover color sheets, so I can use it. Okay. So अब nose बनाने के लिए मैं एक बड़ा सा triangle बनाऊंगी. You can use a magazine, you can use newspaper, you can use any sheet from the notebook, color it and use it. So I'm going to make a big triangle like this. Okay, because I need only one nose. कहीं दो nose मत बना लेना ऐसे double cut करके, ठीक है? So I'm going to cut this nose. Wow, it's really interesting. So I'm cutting this triangle. I got this big triangle. You can use white color, colorful sheet, newspaper, magazine, any sheet. Okay. So I'm using this. और अब मैं इसको कैसे लगाने वाली हूँ? ऐसे तो लगाऊंगी नहीं. थोड़ा सा हमारा नोज बाहर की तरफ है, इसे बोलते हैं 3D. क्या बोलते हैं? 3-dimensional. So I am going to fold this triangle. This is my front side. I'm repeating. और जिसका नहीं बना कोई बात नहीं, पैनिक करने की जरूरत नहीं है. देख लो, लिख लो, बाद में कर लेना. So after cutting this triangle, I'm waiting 1 minute के लिए wait कर रही हूँ so that everyone can just be on the same line. So let me see what others are doing. Yes, interesting. They are doing. Simran, they're doing. I can see few.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Constantly.
Yes.
all the
Yes.
time.
And only something is missing when they are doing, Simran, which I just noticed right now. Their smiles. I want to see beautiful smiles. Smile when you work. See, children, when the session is going on, don't worry. Okay, आप धीरे धीरे करते रहो, कुछ नहीं होगा. आपको मैम के साथ नहीं जाना. ओके, थोड़ा, क्योंकि कटिंग मैम तो जल्दी करेंगी, आप लोग थोड़ा धीरे धीरे करोगे. इट्स ओके, बी पेशेंट. ओके, यही तो आज है हमारी क्लास में. बी पेशेंट, बी रिलैक्स. कुछ नहीं होगा, आप सबका काम तब भी होगा. डोंट वरी. सो हाँ, नोज पे हम आएंगे. ओके, So I am turning this, the back side. Please children, wait and watch. Stop everything and just pay attention on the screen. Thank you everyone. Okay. So हमने ये जो triangle cut किया था, इसको हम back side से थोड़ा सा fold कर देंगे. ऐसे. I'm repeating second time. ये मेरा triangle है और ये मैंने back side किया है triangle की और इसको मैं थोड़ा सा ये corner से turn कर रही हूँ. Clear? Thumbs up, yes, no, sad, happy, नहीं समझ आया, कुछ तो बोल दो, कोई कुछ तो, yes, great. So from the second side also, I am going to turn it. Great. Wow. So ये back side से turn हो गया. अब ये मैंने back side से turn क्यों करवाया है अभी बताती हूँ. Because we have to put Fevicol on these two sides and also on the top. क्योंकि हमें जो nose है वो ऐसे उठा हुआ दिखाना है. तो I am going to put Fevicol here. You can see. थोड़ी थोड़ी लगाओ. ज्यादा सिर्फ फैल जाती है और उससे नीट भी नहीं होता. And one here at the top. I am repeating. मैंने ये ट्राइंगल लिया था नोज के लिए, उसको एक साइड से फोल्ड किया, सेकंड साइड. नाउ फेविकॉल ऑन द साइड्स एंड यस ऑन द टॉप. नाउ वेयर इज माय रावण? हियर इज माय रावण. नाउ हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टिक इट? दिस यू हैव टू वॉच इट. सबसे पहले आप ऊपर से प्रेस करेंगे ऐसे. ओके, इसको थोड़ी देर प्रेस, और अब जो हमने ये फोल्ड किया था उसको ऐसे उठा के प्रेस कर देंगे. ओके, क्योंकि मैं ये स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन है ना मेरी, इसलिए थोड़ा सा लगेगा. लेट मी शो यू. कीप इट हियर डाउन एंड लेट मी शो यू. इसको थोड़ा सा आप उठा के करोगे तो इट विल बी अ 3D नोज लाइक दिस. सो कीप प्रेसिंग and just stick it. Cool. So my nose is ready. Not my nose, my Ravan's nose. Okay. Yes. So after sticking this, what is missing? What about the मूछे? अब सब बच्चे पूछेंगे, मैम ब्लैक शीट नहीं है, क्या करें? कोई बात नहीं, कोई भी डिफरेंट कलर की शीट लेके उस पे ब्लैक कलर बाद में कर देंगे, नहीं तो कलरफुल मूछे बना के उस पे ब्लैक ब्लैक लाइंस बना देंगे. ओके, सो बट आई हैव ब्लैक शीट विद मी. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज आई एम गोइंग टू मेक मूछे फॉर माय रावण. ओके, क्योंकि मूछे दोनों सेम साइड होती हैं तो फिर से मैं इसे फोल्ड करूंगी क्योंकि मुझे सेम चाहिए ना. इधर इधर ऐसे तो नहीं है, यहाँ पे बड़ी, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा छोटा. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू मेक मूछे ऑन वन साइड लाइक दिस. आप कोई भी स्टाइल की मूछ बना सकते हो. ओके, ओके, लेट मी कट दिस mustache and then again I'm going to quickly repeat the nose. You need to follow the instructions carefully. Those children who are not following the instructions, that means वो इधर देख रहे हैं, उधर देख रहे हैं, कुछ मिल नहीं रहा, ये होता है ना. So my मूछे, see, funny is ready. तो हमें नाक बनाने के लिए हमने क्या किया था? हमने एक बड़ा सा ट्राइंगल कट किया था. मैं आपको छोटे ट्राइंगल में दिखा रही हूँ. नोज बनाने के लिए हमने एक ट्राइंगल कट किया था, उसके बाद बैक साइड से ऐसे फोल्ड किया था, यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे फेविकॉल लगाई थी और यहाँ पे, सो दैट आई कैन स्टिक माई नोज हियर लाइक दिस, ताकि वो 3D लगे, ये ऐसे बाहर की तरफ लगे. क्लियर? नाउ माई मूछे और रावण इज रेडी. आई एम गोइंग टू स्टिक इट. वाओ, interesting. So I'm just putting Fevicol here on one side and Fevicol on the other side like this. Now sticking it. Okay, And the other side. Where is the other side of my mooch? Yes. So Ravan ki mooch is ready. Okay, let me put more Fevicol. Okay, और मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ ना, इसको standing position में कर रही हूँ. You need to press it. Whenever you are sticking, you need to press it. So I am holding it, and the second one is like this. So my Ravan's mucha is ready. It's in cute. Cute Ravan है मेरा, है ना? So my Ravan is happy. You can make any expression, गुस्से वाला, नहीं गुस्से वाला, और अगर cool बनाना है तो I am going to use some pink or maybe red color for Ravan's smiley. I'm going to add a smiley to my Ravan. I don't want my Ravan to be angry. He is happy. And he is giving message to everyone that don't be like me. Don't get angry. Come out of this digital world and do some concrete and creative work. God has given you time. Okay. So this is ready. Now ears are missing. Ears. वरना वो आपकी बातें सुनेगा कैसे? So मैं ये side में रख रही हूँ. अब आप ears जो भी color आपके पास बचा है, जैसे मेरे पास green color बचा है, आप ले सकते हो. Ears भी 2 होते हैं. I'm repeating. हमारे ears 2 होते हैं. हाँ? So I'm going to fold it again. Again I'm repeating. See, I'm recycling the sheets. I'm not throwing them. I believe in recycling. So I'm just folding it. और अब ear बनाने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? I am going to write letter D. D for dog. Okay? So I am going to write letter D. Like this. Clear? Can I see yes in the chat box? Quickly, or maybe smiley in the chat box that you are happy doing or happy making. Yes, Nitish. Thank you. Yes, Path. Very good. Devanshi. Great. I can see lots of smiles. And yes, Sanvi. So many smiles, Abhi. Great, great, great. Okay, let's back to the work, back to the work, back to the work. Now, I'm going to cut this. Wow. So, I'm just cutting my letter D. And so many smileys. Thank you and love you all. So, I've got 2 Ds. Okay, 2 letter Ds. क्योंकि ये मेरे कान बनेंगे ना ऐसे. ओके सो अभी मैं क्या करूंगी, यहाँ पे ये जो डी का लंबी वाली तेल उसकी लेग दिख रही है, आई एम गोइंग टू पुट फेविकॉल हियर. ओके लाइक दिस. एंड वेयर आई एम गोइंग टू स्टिक हियर नियर द आईज के पास ही होते हैं ना हमारे कान. नहीं तो जैस्मिन मैम अपने चश्मा कहाँ लगाएगी, अगर कान भगवान थोड़ा सा नीचे कर देता मेरा चश्मा तो गिर जाता. एनीवेज जोक्स अपार्ट, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टिक another ear. Thank you, Jinaya. Thank you so much. So many smileys. Love you all. Another few minutes and then we will have a chit chat session. I will ask you so many questions. I'm going to reply everything. So my ears are ready. From the back side, they will look like this. And from the front side, it is like this. Thank you, Abhay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So it is like this. Now, the crown. Okay, let's come back to the class. Stop typing. Now let's come to the crown. Ravana was a king, right? A powerful king. So we will make a beautiful crown for our Ravan. So I have this blue sheet. थोड़ी सी मुड़ी हुई है, but it's okay. We have to recycle, right? So don't worry. अब मैं क्या करूंगी? I'm going to fold it like this. Okay. Thank you, Pratyanshi. Thank you so much. I know you are enjoying. Even I'm enjoying being with you all. So, ऐसे मैं दोबारा से दिखा रही हूँ. This is standing position. मैं अपने A4 साइज रेक्टेंगल को फोल्ड कर रही हूं क्योंकि मुझे इसको कट करना है. ओके, सो आई एम कटिंग दिस. Wow, great. So this is here a long strip I have got. This is for the crown. ऐसे मत पहना देना, है ना? Greek god नहीं बना रहे हम. So I am going to make few patterns here. Okay, I'm using a blue color. Blue is one of my favorite colors and matching with my dress. So I am going to make few patterns. Pattern means आप कोई भी डिजाइन बना सकते हो. जिसको पैटर्न का मतलब नहीं पता वो सिंपल सिंपल ऐसे भी कर सकता है. पोल्का डॉट्स लगा सकता है. पोल्का डॉट्स क्या होते हैं? ऐसे. और जिन बड़े बच्चों को डिजाइन आता है वो कुछ भी फ्लावर्स कुछ भी बना सकते हैं. तो मैं सारी चीजें मिक्स करूंगी, आप मिक्स नहीं करोगे. ओके, आई एम शोइंग यू. दिस वाज अ बिग शीट. मैंने उसको फोल्ड करके हाफ कर ली क्योंकि मुझे क्राउन के लिए हाफ ही चाहिए था. सो आई एम गोइंग टू मेक वेरी सिंपल something like this so that everyone can make. You can make stars, you can make clouds, you can make flowers, maybe balloons for the crown or anything you wish to. Or if you don't want, then also it's fine. Thank you, Mariam. You are enjoying. That's very, very good. Okay, even I'm enjoying. Let me make something like this just to add some color to my crown. Not my crown, my Ravana's crown. I need to have badam today. बार बार मैं भूल रही हूँ. Okay, so it is like this. A very, very, very simple. Yes, you can make a doodle. You can write anything. And I'm glad you know what are doodles. So let me use fluorescent color. Okay. Thank you, Priyanshi. Thank you so much. So I'm going to put some big dots like these dots. Okay, great. Like this. Now, the important part starts. अब सब बच्चे लिखना बंद करेंगे, बंद करेंगे, बंद करेंगे और प्लीज स्क्रीन पे ध्यान देंगे क्योंकि मैं रिपीट नहीं करूंगी क्योंकि ध्यान इधर उधर हो जाएगा. आई एम गोइंग टू रिपीट, डोंट वरी. ओके, सो हर बच्चे को हम अब पेपर फोल्डिंग करेंगे जैसे हम बचपन में फैन बनाते थे. सो आई एम गोइंग टू फोल्ड फ्रॉम द फ्रंट साइड एंड फ्रॉम द बैक साइड लाइक दिस. आई एम शोइंग यू. ओके, आप अपनी शीट को ऐसे भी रख सकते हो, ऐसे भी रख सकते हो. ओके, सो वन फोल्ड एंड बैक साइड, one fold, and yes, from the back side, another fold, back side, another fold, and back side again. और ये हम तब तक फोल्ड करेंगे जब तक हमारी शीट फिनिश नहीं होगी. Let me fold it and back side and front and little back. So when I open it, this will look like this. So all the designs, all the patterns will come here. Now what is next? I'm repeating again. Okay, I made a design. ऐसे ही बना दिया जल्दी में, तुम आराम से अच्छे से बनाना. उसके बाद one fold, second fold, one fold, second fold, one fold, second and last. Now when you open it, press it and press it. So when you open it, it will look like this. So the head is empty without a crown. So I'm going to put फेविकॉल. अब मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी फेविकॉल ज्यादा लगाऊंगी. ओके, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू स्ट्रेच दिस पेपर and stick it here. Okay, and hold it like this. Okay, like this. प्रेस करके थोड़ी देर होल्ड करेंगे. और अगर घर में डेकोरेशंस है क्योंकि इट्स अ फेस्टिवल टाइम तो सीक्वेंस लगा सकते हैं. मम्मा की बिंदी बट पूछ के लगा सकते हैं, उसको सुंदर बना सकते हैं. एंड इयर्स आर विदाउट इयररिंग्स. अब ये काम आपका है, इसको सुंदर बनाना. कैसे? एक तो इसका टीका हम भूल गए, किसी ने नहीं बताया कि मैम वो तो राजा था, वो तो टीका लगाता था. So टीका is missing and earrings you have to do it yourself and you have to send me the pictures. And now the important part starts now. ये जो मैंने फोल्ड करा था पीछे, अब इसका काम आएगा. आप कोई भी घर में स्टिक है, पुराने पेन है, पेंसिल है जो काम नहीं करते लेकिन सेम साइज के, तो क्या करूंगी मैं, इसके अंदर इंसर्ट करा और मैंने सेलो टेप लगा दिया लाइक दिस. आप ये काम बाद में करोगे, ओके? अभी कोई बच्चा नहीं करेगा, ठीक है? क्लास के बाद ये करेंगे. ऐसे यहाँ पे हम इंसर्ट करेंगे. आई एम रिपीटिंग, आपके दो काम हैं. यू नीड टू डेकोरेट द ग्राउंड, okay? You need to put some earrings, hangings. I like to wear hangings, okay? So my Ravana, I'm going to make hangings, and yes, at the back side you are going to insert maybe sticks, ice cream sticks, maybe old pen जो कि मम्मा फेंकने वाली हैं, उनसे पूछ के सेलो टेप के साथ, ताकि आपका रावण स्टैंडिंग हो जाए. Let me show you this standing Ravana. So it will look like this. Okay, so this is my Ravana, and you know I have his brother also, Meghnath, with earrings. Okay, so it can also stand. So Meghnath is here and Kumkaran is still sleeping. सबको पता है ना, कुंभकर्ण सोता रहता था, मुझे उसको उठाना पड़ेगा. कुंभकर्ण भैया उठ जाओ, बच्चों के पास जाना है. अरे ये आ गया कुंभकर्ण. Little sleepy but it's okay. Look at the crown here. I have changed the shape here. Few things you are going to do and show it to me. How will you show me? You will click the picture. After finishing, you will hold your Ravana like this and send it to the podium Facebook page. Right, Simran ma'am? Simran
Yes,
ma'am?
there is a little change. So
Yes.
guys, yes, you have to complete your Ravana and
Yes.
post it. But now the platform is Instagram. So you have to
Okay,
post
okay.
your Ravana on Instagram, and I will share the link with you in the comment box and
Great.
tag the podium page. Okay, so I will share the link also with you. But if you will search podium classes, you can see the handle. So you have to tag that podium page in your post. Okay, and Jasmine ma'am would be selecting a winner. So keep in mind, deadline is today 9:30 p.m. So yes, Jasmine ma'am, over to you.
Yes, thank you, Simran. That was really a surprise even for me. So I have to choose a best Ravana. तो best Ravana कैसे होगा? थोड़ा सा decorative भी चाहिए मुझे, not too much, but little innovative. And you can even write some lovely message. If you want to add heads, you can go ahead. You are free. And as Simran ma'am said, winner is going to be selected. Instagram, don't miss the time. 9:30 p.m. kids, 9:30, with your photographs or maybe with your Ravanas. And can we have now? Can we talk to them, Simran? Do we have time, or what do you want me to do? I enjoyed the class thoroughly.
Yes, ma'am. Sure. I guess they are also very excited to talk to you. So
Okay.
we will have 10 extra minutes, and so that you can talk to Jasmine ma'am. Okay, guys, if that's fine. And you can raise your hands and I will unmute you so that you can talk to ma'am. Okay, Aradhya, you can go first.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, in my mobile, I cannot send on Instagram or Facebook. So, can you see my?
That Simran ma'am is going to decide. I will choose the best Ravanas. So Simran ma'am is going to tell you all about this. I'm so sorry for this.
Okay, Aradhya, and anyone who has any questions regarding posting the assignment, kindly write down in the comment box. So I will address you there. But if you have any questions related to this session that's specific to Jasmine ma'am,
Yes,
kindly ask the questions. Okay,
Ma'am.
Aradhya, I will come back to you.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to ask also that can I, ma'am, when we eat cup ice cream, in that
we got small sticks of
Very good.
ice cream. Can we use that?
Excellent. Excellent. That is called recycling. Very good. Just wash it. Okay. और ज़्यादा आइसक्रीम मत खा लेना, गला ना खराब हो जाए. Okay. Okay. Next question.
And ma'am,
Okay, Chetan, you can ask your question.
Ma'am, I'm Adya, and I was just asking that I have made the Ravana, but you told that in the starting we have to fold the sides of
Yes.
the Ravana.
Yes, like this.
We have to.
Yes.
But ma'am, that time actually I was hanged, so I was not able to follow that
That's
instruction.
okay. That's okay. See, I have one Ravana which is without the fold. Only the pencils are there from the back side. You can see. That's okay. Problem solved. Happy. Show me a big smile.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Great. Okay. Any other question?
Yes, ma'am. So Abhay, you can go next.
I wasn't able to color everything because the colored sheets I didn't have before.
Okay.
So how would I color with everything else there? Because they may get scribbled.
I'm just going to show. Don't worry. Relax. Suppose you are using everything is white here, right? First, just tell me. Can you just unmute Abhay? Let's talk.
Yes, Abhay, you need not mute yourself.
Yeah.
You can be on unmute. Talk to ma'am.
Yes, Abhay. I'll just tell you how to color. Yes. Suppose I want to, everything is white in color. Okay. And I want to color the face. After sticking, you can just, I'm using brush pens here. You can use crayons, watercolors, whatever colors you have. And you just have to color it. Color the white space. So it's like this. See, the color is changing. Can you see? Now it was blue and now it's looking green. So this is how you're going to change.
Oh, we can do that. Okay, thank you.
Ah, can I get a big smile? Yes, happy? So my purpose of this class was to be happy and to sleep well and eat well. Yes. Any other question?
Yes, Nitish, you can ask your doubt.
Ma'am, I'm not having an Instagram account, so how will I post that image?
Okay, so Nitish, I will just forward your doubt to the authorities. But the best you can do is in whatever WhatsApp group you have, kindly message your Ravana to the admin of that group. Okay, so they will post it on your behalf.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Nitish. Disha, you can ask your question.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, can you just spin my screen and see my Ravana is looking very weird.
Can you just ping me, better? Can you just ping me so that I can just see you?
Yes, ma'am, I have pinned this.
Yeah. So what is weird? You only tell me. It's looking really beautiful.
Ma'am, see this nose part.
The nose is, you can do it that you have to make a bigger nose. That's it. Take another color, take a white sheet, color it with some other color and just make a bigger nose. Problem solved. And yes, do add the mouth. Mouth has to be little darker. Okay, and
Okay,
earrings
ma'am.
can be something like this. Just a simple paper folding. And then you can decorate it. But I love the crown you made. Cool.
Thank
It's
you,
not
ma'am.
weird. I like the eyebrows. I like everything. Great going.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Any other question?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Disha.
Yes,
Glad
ma'am.
you're down. Yes,
Ma'am,
Devanshu.
I have made my Ravana, but my nose is not coming 3D.
अरे तुम्हारा नोज तो 3D है. टच करके देखो.
नहीं मैम, मेरा नहीं.
Okay, I am going to tell you again. Don't worry. इसका reason है क्योंकि मैं आपको स्टैंडिंग में दिखा रही थी, आप टेबल पे या कहीं पे भी आप कर रहे हो फ्लोर पे बैठ के, आई एम गोइंग टू रिपीट इट, डोंट वरी. So this is my triangle, right? You just have to fold it, okay, from the back side and put Fevicol on these two sides and here. So when you are going to put this on the sheet, कोई भी शीट पे अगर आप, जैसे ये मेरा फेस है रावण का, जब हम उसे लगाएंगे थोड़ा सा ऊपर प्रेस करेंगे पहले और इसको थोड़ा सा उठा के ऐसे लगाएंगे. पहले साइड में प्रेस करेंगे और दूसरी साइड में, तो वो उठा हुआ नोज आएगा. इज इट क्लियर? ट्राई करो, जरूर होगा.
मैम मेरा तो नॉर्मली हो रहा है.
नॉर्मल कोशिश करने से सब होएगा. प्रैक्टिस. अभी जब क्लास खत्म हो जाएगी ना, आराम से टेबल पे रख के एक हैंड ऊपर अपना, फिर नोज को थोड़ा सा उठा लेना एंड जस्ट प्रेस इट. और तब भी अगर नहीं हो रहा, इसका भी मेरे पास सोल्यूशन है. जस्ट टेक अ पेपर, क्रश इट, ओके, जस्ट पुट फेविकॉल हियर and at the back side put it, and like this you can just stick it.
Okay, ma'am.
Talk to here. Problem solved.
Okay,
Can I
ma'am.
get a big smile?
Or ma'am, like when I start making something, I often like everything is just wasted. मैं पेपर कट करती हूँ, फिर वो वेस्ट हो जाता है क्योंकि जो मैं बनाना चाहती हूँ बनता नहीं है.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, स्लो. अब मैं इसका एक मैजिक, एक रूल बता रही हूँ. अच्छा, आप, I think you really like art, right?
Yes.
Can you ping me because I am unable to see you clearly? Can you just ping my screen? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I messaged you.
Yes, now this is better. So whenever any child is speaking to me, just ping me, okay? So this is Divyanshi. No. What's your name, baby?
Divyanshi.
Yes, Divyanshi. Yes. So Divyanshi, first thing of art is no negative things. पहले ही शुरू करने से पहले हमारा खराब क्यों होगा? और अभी जैसे हमने नोज बनाया, तो ये तो तुम अभी भी फेंक सकती थी, है ना? मुझे पता है फेंक देती है, तो हो नहीं रहा. So simple, you just have to crush it, put it and then use it. Divyanshi, the rule is, जो भी आर्टिस्ट है, अगर वो इतनी सारी पेंटिंग्स अपने कैनवस को खराब करके फेंकते रहेंगे भैया, वो तो खाएंगे कैसे? उनके तो सारे पैसे कैनवस खरीदने में चले जाएंगे. So no negative thoughts. Okay, whenever you are beginning, just a big smile and सब लोग बोलेंगे yes, we can do it. And no problem, I will come again to see you soon and we will talk more. Okay, great? Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, guys, we will just take one last question because we are already running out of time. So I guess Kulwant, I have unmuted you. You can ask your question.
Ping me beta before asking.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you share how to, ma'am? I am very, ma'am, I cannot cut properly, ma'am.
क्या चीज? I didn't get you. What?
Ma'am, I was telling that I was cutting, so it was not cutting properly. Ma'am, can you
we cut the ears,
make-
हमने nose cut किया, crown cut किया, सब किया. आपको क्या समझ नहीं आया? Be specific.
ma'am, ma'am, that
Kulwant, you can take your time and write your doubt while you're posting your Ravana. Okay, so I will forward it to ma'am. Don't worry. So, guys, I guess you have a lot of queries, but we are already short of time. So, but you can post your queries along with your Ravana. I will surely forward it to Jasmine ma'am. I will surely do that. And thank you so much, Jasmine ma'am.
Thank you.
It was
Thank you, Simran.
really fun session. Also, guys, do notice all the things Jasmine ma'am has told you. It was not just a craft session, but if you notice, your Ravana is smiling. So just know the little things Jasmine ma'am has incorporated in this session and kindly take it forward with you. Thank you so much, Jasmine ma'am. I hope
Thank
we
you,
meet
thank-
again.
Yeah. So I'm taking leave, ma'am. Bye, children. Bye. Love you all.
Okay, guys, I am unmuting all of you.
Hi, ma'am. Instagram link she will send you in chat or group.
Can you send the Instagram link again? I can't see it.
What is the
Ma'am, can you
assignment?
please send the Instagram link?
What is the assignment? What is the assignment? What is the assignment?
To post that Ravan in Instagram.
Can you please send Instagram link?
Ma'am will send on WhatsApp group in.
Okay, guys. So the assignment is you have to post your Ravana on Instagram and tag Podium Classes. The link has been shared in the comment box, and the link will also be shared with you on the WhatsApp groups. Okay, Devanshi, don't worry. I am just sharing the link again on the comment box, but it will come to you through WhatsApp also. Okay, so don't worry. The deadline is 9:30 p.m. So kindly be quick. Just complete your Ravana and post it on Instagram. Okay, and let's take a leave now and let's meet tomorrow. Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, love the class.
Devanshi, great. Okay, guys, carry on with your Ravana.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye.
Bye, ma'am.